Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix blurry thumbnail image of blogger. As you see, this thumbnail images of each individual post is blurry. In other way, these thumbnails are not blurry. You see, these are clear. Now to sort out this blurry thumbnail image of blogger, at first you have to log into your blogger dashboard. And then we have to open the post. Just click on it, and after that you have to select the image. Just select the image, and then you will find an option image resize. Once you select the image, you will find image options, that is alignment, left, center, right, and this is the image resize option. You will see it is extra large. Now you have to make it original. Once you click original, and then you have to click on update button. Once the page is updated, you have to refresh the page, original page, and then here you just need to refresh the page. And now it's not blurry. The image is clear. Let's do it for the second post. Now open the second post. And now select the image and then click image resize option, and then you have to make it original and then update the post. After that, refresh the home page. Now refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, you will see the thumbnail image will be clear. See, this is not blurry. Similarly, you can change the blurry image for each post. So thanks for watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.